Buckle up, gamers, because the battleground just got a luxury update and it's roaring in at full speed. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming updates. PUBG Mobile has teamed up with Porsche for one of its flashiest, most stylish crossovers the game has ever seen, letting players tear through the battlefield behind the wheel of iconic Porsche machines. This isn't just a makeover, it's a full-on adrenaline boost packed with power and pure style. Players can drive 4 standout Porsche models, including Porsche 918 Spider, the sleek Panamera Turbo S, the powerhouse Cayenne Turbo GT, and the ultra-smooth 911 Carrera 4 GTS Cabriolet. The model comes in exclusive colors that blend high performance with high-end design, turning every match into a luxury showdown. It isn't just about cars. Players can get Porsche-themed accessories as well, including the slick Porsche racing suit, matching racing helmet, custom parachute, and even Porsche ornaments for their vehicles. Tencent's Vincent Wang says the partnership blends passion, performance, and creativity, bringing the thrill of real Porsche driving into PUBG's survival battles. And whether you're speeding through open fields or making a dramatic escape, having a Porsche will surely make it better. The PUBG Mobile Porsche collaboration runs from December 5th, 2025 to February 28, 2026, giving players nearly 3 months to dive in. The update is live and free to try. Just hit the App Store or Google Play Store, download the game, and get ready to take your dream ride. Are you ready to gear up? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. The showstopper of Apple's awe-dropping event was the iPhone 17 Air, the thinnest iPhone ever made. But it's not just ultra-slim body, but inside it lies a gaming beast. And yes, PUBG Mobile players, this one's built for you. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the latest tech updates. The iPhone 17 Air has the A19 Pro chip, Apple's most powerful and power-efficient processor to date. Think MacBook Pro level performance on a device that fits in your pocket. With advanced thermal management, neural accelerators, and GPU capabilities built for intensive workloads, the iPhone 17 Air is more than ready for smooth, lag-free PUBG battles. Not only this, its graphics also give stunning clarity on the 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display with colors so vibrant and razor-sharp detail. Whether you're parachuting into Ariangel or sniping in Sandhawk, these visuals will give you some competitive edge and out-of-this-world gaming experience. And don't worry about the battery drowning fast, because Apple promises all-day performance, and the A19 Pro ensures that even marathon gaming sessions won't send you running around for a charger. And it's built to last too. The iPhone 17 Air features a ceramic Shield 2 cover glass and a polished titanium midframe, giving it premium durability without the weight. So whether you're a casual player or a mobile esports fanatic, the iPhone 17 Air doesn't just support PUBG, it takes it to another level. Are you a PUBG fan? Drop your thoughts about this in the comments. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Hey PUBG Mobile fans, the V3.9 update just dropped with Transformers, a cyberpunk zone, and epic new modes. Ready to roll out with Optimus Prime? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this explosive update. PUBG Mobile's V3.9 update brings a Transformers crossover, a neon outpost cyberpunk area, and new weapons. Summon Optimus Prime or Megatron and battle in a futuristic world. Wanna know what's new? Keep watching! The headline feature is a Transformers theme mode. Use Cybertron beacons to summon Optimus Prime or Megatron, who can switch between vehicle and Autobot or Decepticon modes with unique abilities. Collect Energon for ultimate attacks, and when these titans clash, they trigger a special duel arena. Win or lose, Transformers drop exclusive rewards, with more vehicles coming July 18th. Explore the Neon Outpost, a cyberpunk-themed area on Erangel, Livik, and Sandhawk, featuring a boxing ring, black market, and a burger joint. Metro Royale gets tweaks, Classic Mode adds new weapons, and World of Wonder introduces a paint gun and Ice Dragon boss. Plus, a ranked arena event runs from July 24th to September 2nd with 28 skill tiers and exclusive rewards. This V3.9 update takes PUBG Mobile to new heights, blending Transformers' epic battles with a great gritty cyberpunk vibe. With fresh modes, weapons, and competitive events, it keeps the battle royale action intense. Is this PUBG's wildest update yet? Get ready to drop in and find out. PUBG Mobile v3.9 is live now, so grab those Cybertron beacons and explore Neon Outpost. More Transformers goodies drop July 18th. What's your favorite new feature? Drop it below. That's the scoop on PUBG Mobile's v3.9 update. Are you hyped for Optimus Prime's battles or the Cyberpunk Neon Outpost? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news and want more PUBG scoops, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates. PUBG Mobile 3.9 drops July 8th with Transformers action. Summon Optimus Prime, ride epic vehicles, and dominate. Ready for the chaos? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your gaming news hotspot. Today we're unpacking PUBG Mobile's 3.9 update and its Transformers crossover. PUBG Mobile 3.9 launches globally on July 8, 2025, with Vietnam and Korea getting it a day early on July 7th. This update brings Autobots and Decepticons to the battlegrounds, with Optimus Prime, Megatron, and more. It's being called one of 2025's best updates. The Transformers mode revamps Erangel with Neon Outpost, featuring a boxing ring, black market, and energy hub. Use Space Bridge beacons to summon Prime's Megatruck or Megatron's tank, or morph into robots for epic fights. A cosmic hoverboard adds fast, weapon-free traversal. To grab the update, Android users hit Google Play, search PUBG Mobile, and tap Update between 7 and 10 a.m. on July 8th. iOS users do the same in the App Store. For ABK, visit PUBG Mobile's site, download version 3.9, and install with 1.1 GB free space. With 1.5 billion downloads, PUBG Mobile's 3.9 update is huge. X-fans are buzzing, calling it a sci-fi revolution with skins for Bumblebee and Starscream. The Nemesis Showdown Zone pits Prime versus Megatron for epic duels. Expect more Transformers like Bumblebee mid-season, plus new weapons like the ASM Abakan rifle. Mark July 8th on your calendar and squad up for Cybertron chaos. Stay tuned for event details and Twitch drops. Will you summon Optimus Prime in PUBG Mobile 3.9? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming scoops. Ready to dominate with new weapons and a futuristic vibe? PUBG Mobile 3.9 is coming with a summer update that's set to blow your mind. Today on GadInsider, we're breaking down the leak's new features and global launch timeline. Stick around, this is your ticket to the battleground. PUBG Mobile 3.9 is gearing up for a global launch in July 2025, with beta testing kicking off around June 5th. Following the steampunk-themed 3.8 update, this summer update promises fresh weapons and smoother gameplay. Let's dive into the details. Leaks point to a futuristic aesthetic with new weapons hitting the battlefield, plus buffs and nerfs to balance your favorite firearms. Expect a summer update theme with vibrant new content, from skins to gameplay tweaks, all designed to keep matches intense. The beta drops in June 2025, letting you test new features early. Grab the beta PK from PUBG's official site or trusted sources to try the weapons and report bugs. Quality of life improvements like smoother controls and faster matchmaking will make every drop feel epic. With a 1-month beta phase, the global release is set for early July 2025, giving devs time to polish based on your feedback. No official word from PUBG yet, but X-posts are buzzing with hype for this update. From new guns to a slicker experience, PUBG Mobile 3.9 is shaping up to be a summer banger. Get ready to squad up and dominate when it goes live. The GadInsider fam, what's got you hyped for PUBG Mobile 3.9? New weapons or the summer vibe? Drop it in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider. Smash that like button, share with your squad, and let's keep the PUBG hype alive. Stay locked and stay GadInsider.